Welcome back to another video, guys. Here's the next project I recently picked up. It's a 2009 Scion TC, and I believe it's like a special edition. I'm gonna do a quick walk around just to show you guys through. The paint's pretty bad. It's gonna need a paint correction for sure, and even then it has a lot of rock chips in the front. As you can see, a lot of them already rusted out, so I'm gonna do my best, see what I can do with that. The headlight, they're pretty fogged up, both of them, so I'll probably do a headlight restoration. You see, it needs some body work, nothing too crazy, but it does need it nonetheless. Tires, luckily they're brand new tires, so we have a lot of tread on them. All 4 tires are brand new. I believe these are the stock wheels that came with this model. This one's missing the center cap, but I do believe those are stock. As you can see, the mirror, the paint's faded. We got some more body work right here. It's got a little dent under the gas tank. You guys can see it right there. See, it comes with the TRD wheels. I don't know if these wheels were resprayed. It looks like it might have been resprayed, or I don't know if they just resprayed it to cover the damage on the wheels. Not sure. I got to do some more research on that. Towards the back, we have some more damage on the bumper. The rear bumper's pretty beat up. Here, that part's rusted out. I'm surprised this little handle here is still intact. Usually that's very common for these cars to break. They're usually broken. But the hatch works, everything works. The window tint, I don't know if you guys noticed, but the window tint's pretty bad. So I'm gonna have to strip that out and probably drive without tint, maybe retint it. I'll see about that. It has a different color tint in the rear as well compared to the front. Tail lights, they're pretty good condition, not too bad. This does come with the TRD exhaust, which is pretty loud. So I need to investigate and see if it's actually I'm sure it's catted, but I'm just gonna make sure, see if it's a stock exhaust. I know this piece is for sure stock, but see if anything was modified other than that, because it seems pretty loud to me for it to be a stock car. But we'll do some more dinging and figure that out. The rear bumper kind of popped off here, and then it does have some body damage right here that's already rusting, so I have to address that. It has a few dings up here above the door, and then again that window tint. So here we go. It's a TRD release series 5.0 or something like that. I'll check it out, and the interior has a little badge on it. But it is a special edition for these cars, the Scion TCs. These wheels are stock. And the front is pretty bad. The front end of this car is pretty bad. To start off, first, the grille is not in place. It's just floating in there. Another big issue with this is the hood release wire. You have to catch it from the front because the button's not in there, so I have to figure that out. So that's going to be an issue that I want to address. One of the first issues I want to address, I should say. The interior, it's not the best, but it could be worse. I've seen worse. So just a little cleanup on the interior. Little stains here and there that shouldn't be too hard to take off. The rear seats, you know, besides just being dirty, nothing too crazy back here. Little details, so like right there on the dash, you can see right here that little ding there. And here you go. This is the model that it is. It's a Scion TC release series 5.0. This is number 507 out of 2000. So I got to take that sticker off, which shouldn't be too hard. Some adhesive remover should do the trick. Pretty cool. It has a stereo that, you know, like a little cover for the stereo. And it's got a Pioneer, and that Pioneer is stock. It came with it. You can see right here the Scion badging on there. Pioneer, so that's pretty cool. It sounds, you know, nothing crazy, just normal stereo. Which I'll probably, if I keep this car long enough, I'll probably switch that out to something else. This one doesn't have a rear view camera, so maybe something with rear view compatibility. Maybe just get the mirror that has the rear view camera. I'll see. But yeah, guys, it's pretty much all there. It's missing some trim in the back, as you can see on the hatch on both sides, so I gotta source that. But other than that, I mean, it's not a bad car. Once I address these issues, clean it up a bit, it should be 10 times better. This might be a contender for my daily driver, so we'll have to see about that. You can see the window tint is pretty messed up already, which is no big deal. I'm just gonna pull it off and start fresh. It is black, so I'm not sure if you can tell in camera, but it's kind of like a black. Sometimes you think it's like a dark purple, but it is black. What else do we got? Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's 4-cylinder. I would show you under the hood, but it's a whole ordeal to pop that hood open, so I'll show you at a later time. Under the hood, it's just a stock Toyota motor, 4-cylinder, nothing crazy. So yeah, guys, this is the next project we're going to be working on here. Stay tuned if you want to see more, and along with the other cars that we have on here as well. One of the first videos I'm going to do with this one is going to be, or the next video I'm going to do with this one is going to be the gas mileage. So I'm going to compare this car versus my current daily driver, which is the Acura TSX. If you haven't seen it, it's on the channel as well. So I'm going to compare the two. I filled both of them up at the same time. This one takes regular fuel, the other one takes premium, but I'm pretty much going to drive them around same way, AC on, and take them on the same route. I'm going to use one week and the other one the other week on the same route with the AC and everything, and we'll see which one has better gas mileage. And I'll be sure to update you guys. Should be a short video, but just curious to see what the difference is and how big of a difference it is. So possibly might be my new daily driver if everything goes good. We'll see. But that's gonna be it for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.